today Gauri Shankar has been asked one question that he has completed his advanced diploma in clinical research and clinical data management, and he has tried in Bangalore and Chennai, but yet didn't get the job. And how he can enter in clinical research associate, okay, associate in clinical trial. So actually, Gauri Shankar, if you have seen my third slide, in that I have mentioned that as a fresher, you cannot enter as a clinical research associate. You can enter in a BEB centers as a clinical research associate, but not for a core phases trial. Along with that, as you have completed your diploma, I find some lacunas. Like I told you, there are 5 skills that you should be thorough in that. So because of that skills, yet you haven't that, like there are some criteria, like whenever you appeared for the interview, yet you haven't appeared for interview also, like because you applied for clinical research associate, it's not possible as a fresher they will hire you. Again, Bangalore is the hub where there are many clinical trial has going on, and in every multi-specialty hospital there is a clinical research department. So I'll suggest you that trying in contract research organization, you should have to try in multi-specialty hospitals, work there for 1 or 2 years, and then try for contract research organization and sponsor companies. Even though you can try for a SMO as a clinical trial assistant and or clinical research coordinator, even you can try for ethics committee coordinator. If you have completed the course, I have asked one question that how we can maintain the right, safety and well-being of the participants in the clinical trials. So can you give me the answer of these questions? Are you there, Gauri Shankar? Can you unmute yourself? And
Yes, ma'am.
yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
my question is that we have we should have to maintain right, safety and well-being of the trial subject. So what is the process we maintain that right, safety and well-being of the participants or patients
Ma'am,
in the trial?
ma'am, in the clinical trials, the participants are participate in the clinical trial. The investigator or principal investigator to describes the all the procedures, and what are the equipments, what are the details and protocol, clearly explain to the participant. Do not afraid of the clinical trials, and also you will
What is
the
that
participant.
process? What is that process?
Ma'am, process may first of all the participant.
I just want to know the name of that process. So I just want to tell you that name of the process, informed
Consent form. Yes, ma'am.
yeah, and here we are giving the patient their rights, and how we will maintain their well-being and give them more priority than the science and society or research. So you should, are you aware about the informed consent process? Can you write ICD, informed consent document? So if you are not aware all these things, there is no meaning of doing course. Okay, this is the one thing. And second thing, now you have to join internship in Bangalore. This is the way to enter in clinical research industry. If you have completed clinical research course, any diploma and certification course, and if you are not having enough knowledge, like at least this much recruiter is expecting. If I hire you as a clinical research coordinator, I'll ask you this question. Okay, so if you are not able to give your 100%, you just join free internship. It is okay. Within a 1 month or 2 months, you will understand all the process. Okay, and this will boost your confidence. And then you if you are working over there like properly, they will give you opportunities. So start searching internship rather than job. And it's okay if we are spending 3 or 4 months in our internship rather than sitting at home. When did you completed your course?
Ma'am, 2 months before, ma'am.
2 months. So it's no worry. It is like if you spend more 3 months for internship, you will understand everything. And go slow, because in the initial days we because getting knowledge and having in all these information is little bit critical in initial days. We require time. So spend this time, because now you have a time. This is the time to this is the time of learning. You should learn or understand all the process, and definitely in future you will get the job of clinical research associate. But you required good communication, interpersonal skills, okay, presentation skills, because these skills required to become a clinical research associate. Along with that, uh, you required to know like justification of all the process. Like I asked you for just only one thing. You required to because many times principal investigator ask you anything, so you required to give him an explanation. So for that you required good communication skills. So work on these skills along with the knowledge. And like I tell you, to join internship, it is like if you are residing at Coimbatore, even though Coimbatore also has many clinical trials going on, you can try for multi-speciality hospital over there also. And if feasible, you just try in Bangalore also.